In this video, we are going to use the Excel to calculate the variables variance and standard deviation. It's actually the same process when we're going to see or check the very basic descriptive statistics such as mode, median, and mean. So the same thing we do is click Data, Data Analysis, go into Descriptive Statistics, click OK, select age at the first delinquent offense, click Labels in the first row because we select the label, and also Summary Stats, click OK. Adjust the cell. So for the age at first delinquent offense, the mean is 11.85. The median is 11, the mode is 11, the standard deviation is 1.814. The variance is 3.29. We do the same thing for the drinks per month. We click Data, Data Analysis, Descriptive Stats, click OK. Now we select drinks per month, labels in the first row, summary stats, click OK. We adjust this table. See, for the drinks per month, the mean is 17.25. The median is 15. The mode is 15. The standard deviation is 9.52. And the variance is 90.72. That's it.